Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Oh yes, everybody knows you're here too. Yes, we can't forget about Josie. Today we're going to be opening up our Sephora Play box for December 2019. This is a $10 a month subscription box. In this box we should have 5 beauty samples, makeup, skincare, hair care, any of those sort of things. This isn't my favorite box. I don't particularly love this box, so let's hope this month we'll get something good that keeps me subscribed to this one. I don't know, it's just, out of all my subscription boxes that I get, this one right here is my least favorite. So let's just go ahead and see what we have in here this month. As always, if I don't know something's cruelty free at the time of filming, I will always put that in the description box right down there, as well as breaking down the value of this box. So I will research the full size, do the math, find the value of the sample size, and break it all down there. So if you're interested in that, make sure you're always clicking that open. Okay, let's just go ahead and open this up. So once you have the box open, oh, stuff's already flying out. It's gonna look just like this. This little pamphlet right here is going to have the theme for the month. And yeah, it used to have Beauty Insider points attached to this box, but it looks like that's officially no more. So this looks like it is the Play Awards. So these are the beauty winners that rose to the top this year. Okay, and then on the back here it's going to have everything we're getting. We won't peek too much at that. So inside the box is going to have this little bag right here with all of our stuff inside of it. So let's see, the first thing I'm going to pull out is shampoo and conditioner. Let's see. Oh, interesting. So that's actually really good. This is from Drybar, which is cruelty free. This is the Blonde Ale Brightening Shampoo and Brightening Conditioner. And it says it enhances blonde tone. So it's a purple shampoo, I assume, which is good for me. So I love trying out purple shampoos to see if they can compete with the one I buy on Amazon, which none of them have so far. But I'm curious to give this a go and see what it does for my hair. So yeah, excited to get that. Normally I'm not a fan of foil packets, but all I need is one try with the purple shampoo to see if it's good for me or not. So, okay, the next thing I have is from Marc Jacobs, which I believe is cruelty-free. I could be wrong. I feel like they're cruelty-free. I'll have to look into that and let you know. This is the Intense Color Extreme Wear Waterproof Eyeliner. It is a pencil, I think. Okay, so it's like an automatic liner right here. I'll go ahead and give it a swatch for you. It's just black. Ooh, that is really nice gel. Oh, I don't know why you're interested in this, Harley. Can I help you? It's just makeup. Okay. So there it is on my hand. It's pretty dark, and it smooths so nicely. I'm excited to try this. I hope they're cruelty-free. I feel like they are. So if it is, I'm definitely excited to give that a try. That feels really nice. Okay, so let's see. The next thing I'm pulling out is from Tarte. This is the Drink of H2O Hydrating Boost. Okay, so it's the Rainforest of the Sea Hydrating Boost Moisturizer. Okay, so it's a moisturizer. Let's go ahead and open her up. It does have a scent. It smells clean. It doesn't smell bad or strong or like too overpowering. It is like a really like gel-like moisturizer. I guess that's the only way I can describe it. It smells really good though. I do like the way it smells. Yeah, I definitely will use this. I enjoy Tarte. This is cruelty-free. So yeah, I definitely will give that a go. I don't know why I keep sniffing it. Okay, let's see. The next thing I'm pulling out is Grande Drama. This is a mascara that I believe I've tried before. This is the Intense Thickening Mascara with Castor Oil. If I remember correctly, I liked it okay, but it wasn't like mind-blowing for me, so yeah, I think I do have this. So yeah, that's what I thought. Okay. So the wand is like a volumizing wand. I'd say it reminds me of like the Better Than Sex mascara wand. The formula appears to be a little bit drier, so it's not like a super wet formula. It's like a thick, drier sort of formula, I would say. But I guess it says it's thickening, so I guess that makes sense why it's like thick like that. Interesting. So I guess I will give this another go. I don't remember like loving this or hating this. I just remember owning it, so I'll try it again. I'm pretty sure they must be cruelty-free if I kept it. So yeah. Okay, looks like I have 2 more things in here. This next thing is from Ouai. This is the body cleanser. Interesting. I've only ever tried hair products from this brand, I believe. So now we have like a body wash. It smells nice. I don't know how to describe that scent. So this magical body cleanser is infused with probiotics, hydrating jojoba seed, and rose hip oils. I don't smell rose. It smells good. It just smells like nice and light is what I would say. I definitely will use that. Fun fact, I normally use like body wash, like I just put it into my bath and use it as like a bubble bath. That's how I like to use it. So I'll probably use it that way. Okay, I have one last thing, which I'm really excited about because I'm all out of this. This is the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum Cream, or Boom Boom Cream. I say Bum Bum just because it's fun, but I think it is pronounced Boom Boom Cream. So if you haven't seen this before, you've probably been living under a rock. This is my favorite body lotion. Uh-oh, it just got on my pants. So there it is on my finger. It smells like a tropical beach. Like that's the only way I can describe it. And it has like the tiniest little glitters in it that like give you like a nice shine. And it's not sticky. It just feels really good and it smells so good. I really, really love that cream. It's like my favorite. I'm trying to use up all my other like body cream before I repurchase it. But I have bought the full size. I've had the medium size. It's expensive though. Like I think this little one right here is like 15 bucks. Really, really tiny. Like there's hardly any in here. Oh, of course, now that I dropped it on the floor, it's like nice and full looking. But like 15 bucks for this. And this gives you like 5 uses. So it's pretty expensive. But yeah, I'm definitely excited to have more because I want to buy more, but I can't buy it right now because I have other lotion I have to go through first. So yeah, so that's everything I got for this month's box. But I'm pretty sure everything in this bag was cruelty-free. Was it cruelty-free? No animals harmed in this video? I guess we'll find out once I do the research. This is like the first good play box I've gotten in a while that I'm excited about. Quite a few things in there. It doesn't happen very often with this box for me, so they sucked me in for a little bit longer. If you get this box, I'd love to know what you got in your box, so make sure you're leaving that down below. I'd love to see what everybody else gets in their boxes. This is one of the subscriptions that has quite a few variations, so let me know what you got in your box. But yeah, that's all I have for today's video. If you guys like this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up for me. If you want to see more videos like this from me, more unboxings, more dogs doing dog things, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right down there, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.